Hey guys, I wanted to share something that I learned today during my PD sessions, and I wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it might help you out during all our online remote learning, which is to use your iPhone or your iPad as a document camera so that you can have something to show what you're working on right in front of you. So I will go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So you don't need to download anything. You don't need to log into any other accounts. All you need is your phone and the Wi-Fi. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi and put it into do not disturb mode, because you'll be sharing everything on your phone. So if you've got any pictures on there, it'll show your apps, and it'll show any notifications that pop up on there. So what you want to do is you go down to click where it says share screen, and when you click on that, it gives you a lot of different options. You can show your whole desktop, which is going to show everything on your computer. You can show just one of the web browsers you're using. So if you're using Google Chrome, or if you're using Safari, or you can show like any of the applications that you're using, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. You can also just do like a whiteboard on there in case you didn't know that one. I'll go ahead and kind of show that one. You can play around with it. You have a bunch of whiteboard features that you can play around with up there, but I'm not on here to show you how the whiteboard. I'm here to show you how to do the phone. So share the screen right there. Another option it says is iPhone, iPad via AirPlay, or with a cable. If you don't have AirPlay, I guess you can do it. You can just connect in your phone to the computer. So I'm going to do with AirPlay, and then I click down here where it says share. And then it pops up and it says 3 steps. The first step is you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, which that one's my Wi-Fi. The second thing is you want to do is you want to open up your phone. And when you open up your phone, you click the sharing options, the control center. Right there, it should say screen mirroring. You click on that right there. And then a bunch of options pop up. And so if you have Apple TVs or something else, it'll give you all the things that you can screen share too. And right down there, it says Zoom. So you click on where it says Zoom. And then all of a sudden, there you go. There's your phone. And so if I click it open, so if you see right there, this is my phone and all the apps that I have on my first screen. So if you have an app or if you have something that you wanted to show your kiddos, there you can. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select camera, and it shows. So here's my workspace, my desk, my messy desk. There's my notebook that I can use to kind of show what I'm doing. So now the thing is, showing what you're doing. So you got to try to figure out some way to hold it. And so unless you've got some sort of tripod or some sort of selfie stick, you're going to have to kind of figure out some way to do it. So what I saw on YouTube was a lot of people using soup cans, or they just stacked up a bunch of books like this. And so the other thing about this is you can't change the settings. So right now you're seeing it kind of going up and down. But if I turn my phone sideways like this, my phone is now sideways, as you can see right here, but the screen is showing, so that's the one thing that kind of is a bummer. But so what I'll go ahead and do is stack a bunch of books. And then what they did was you don't want to put it right on top because your phone will fall over. Just kind of, you want just enough weight to kind of hold it in place. Move this out of the way. And so now you've got like a little workspace. And so I'm kind of scooting that out. So yeah. So now you've got like a little document camera that you can use to show your work. So anyways, I hope that helps. I was really excited to use that, and so I think my team is going to be excited to share it too.